Hello everybody. Hey, everything actually worked today, the first time. Microphone's working, camera's working. Fun. Good morning, try something new. Marius, Temptic, Braxton. Do you think it was the USB port wasn't fast enough? Interesting. Was it plugged into like a USB 2.0, not a USB 3? When? Make sound. Oh, actually, I was going to do that before the stream, Temptic, but I forgot. Let me do that for you now. Commands, print screen. I actually added Boom's one, but I only saw your one. Save, okay. There we go. See if that works. It was on my list to do before the stream, but it didn't work. There we go. It works. It works. I'm at the coffee shop now, don't have audio, but stream is looking great today. And cool. Somehow the layers area must use a lot of RAM, and when I hover over it, the stylus lags. I moved it to a fastest ball and it seems fine now. That's so weird though. I was sitting there yesterday watching, I was like, I can't think of a reason why it would do that. It's just, it didn't make sense. Welcome back, Marius. Super freaky. Well, at least you solved the problem, which is good. So hopefully you won't get too frustrated by that today. I mean, the progress was, I thought the progress was looking good, even though, you know, you were having issues, but yeah.
I hope have an amazing stream, Sila. Atomic.
Thank you very much. Try something, Dev. Hello there, Kanye. How you doing? You'll test it in full during the stream this afternoon. Yeah. Hopefully that will work nicely. It makes the software unusable because the crazy lag the stylus freaks out. Storm Running Gaming. Hello. How are you doing today? But yeah, at least you've hopefully figured out the problem and can carry on with that, or fix it. So I guess we'll see. This has... Let's have a look. It's okay, we're still struggling with the API generation. Oh no! Oh no! I'm sorry to hear that. Is it something you think you'll be able to fix in quickly, Kani? Or are you thinking it's going to take a bit of time to get it working? I got my player character to move. Oh, Storm Running Gaming, what did you do? So which one of the solutions did you go with? Did you go with the, I think the second one that we suggested? You mentioned something about being able to destroy the player character. Well, not, well, essentially, actually you could do it one of two ways. You could either destroy the player character or move it off screen, then spawn a AI version of it, and then have that move and then swap them around. Let's wait for the ads to finish. How long is left? A minute. Triangulate, fine. Purple. Turns out it's way simpler than that. The AI move to node is only for NPCs. For the player to move, you just need a simple move to node. Oh. Wow, okay. Well, I guess that moves. I didn't actually know the simple the simple move to existed on the player, because I've only ever used the AI move 2, but I guess that's why they called it, you know, AI move 2, is to distinguish the difference between the two of them. But at least you solved that. Nicely done. That's convenient. This is 36 vertices. I wonder if I do that, it'll simplify it better. Actually, we can do that. That. Subdivide. That. Subdivide. One. That. F. F. Internal triangulation. And go back, take those. Actually, just do that. Then, do we need all of these? I'd keep that one. What about if we remove these two? A bit little. You know what's fine. What we'll do is dissolve edge, dissolve edge, dissolve edge, and join all those. Wait, did you press the wrong one? That's fine. You back now, Braxton? Usually what I do is I wait for the ads to finish before I actually come out of the wilderness, as I call it. But apparently today I decided to not do that. Because otherwise I let them sitting there for like 5 minutes just going, if it's ready. And sometimes I'm actually doing stuff like getting everything ready. Sometimes I'm actually just ready. Gotta learn that stuff, you know, lol. I'm making objects for my game, but it's just in Photoshop. I've been making ancient carvings in stone. They're making a texture out of them and adding the cubes. So are you, for that, are you trying to make like a, what was the term? There was a term relating to that where you basically use a single material and you use it on multiple like different objects inside your scene. So you create one that can wrap or something like that. I was reading about that yesterday. Piece is done. Let's add the material base. I'm sure we added a new one. Top. By the way, I'm completely redrawing yesterday's project from scratch. Okay, because you didn't seem too happy with the design. So today, is it still going to go like on a cup, or are you just going to try and get that head thing that you were doing? It's too small for it's too small of a canvas. So it's too small if you put it on a cup then. So instead of the cup one, I need more pixels and I'm trying to get smoother lines for the emotes. Okay, so if that was the similar sizing, you're going to use the full thing. I did have a look yesterday at what the maximum sizing for Twitch is, and I think it's pixel-wise, there's not too much of a limit, but because I think you can upload more than 128 or 1112, but you have to compress it to under a megabyte. One of the things I was reading about is some people were saying make it at a much higher res, so like 512 or even 2K, and then and then scale it down and keep it under 1 meg. Yeah, okay. 112 doesn't give me enough to work with. Maybe with the at least working at like 1K resolution, or maybe 512 might be a better resolution to use, and then scale it down, because is that a direct scale or a direct scale of 112? So is it 5? So 560. I tested out 1120 canvas. It's a multiplier of 112, which is the final size Twitch wants. Okay, because I think if you use a direct multiplier, it will be better, because 10 times means that each pixel will be compressed into 1. It'll take the average of all of them when it compresses it. Yeah, I think if you stick to one of the multiplications of the final size that you want, it should come out quite nicely. I was looking at some light emotes today. I don't know, I thought I had more than I did. Okay, so that should be done, so we can unhide that. Is the mirror for this one off? 112 is crazy. It is, especially since Twitch now allows for, you know, giant emotes. If I go giantify an emote and go with... hold on, let's find the nice one. So like this one, this is one of Temtic's ones. That's got to be larger than 112, right? Oh, apparently that's 112. I feel like it has to be large. It feels larger than that. Look how cute. It is so cute. Boom told me I need to send her two so she can help make me one. But I wasn't sure which ones to use yet. Did you just take two of your other emotes for that, Temtic? You got the boop one. Ah, right, okay. What do you, okay, then Tempted, because, hold on, let's have a look at this. So these are the ones I have, right? These are all my emotes that I have. Now, one that could work is my wave one. Like, because I've got it without the hand, but then I would need another one. Either that, or I get a boop one made by the person that you mentioned, and then just use the two pieces for that one. If I can solve the tablet issue, I can make some emote tutorials. That would be nice. I need more. I feel like I need so many more. I've got so many ideas. Do you use the same artist? For these ones, I've used the same artist, but they're no longer wanting to do emotes anymore, so I can't get more. But I was hoping that it'll be enough of a base that someone could kind of follow it. But this is not by the same one that you used, Temptic. This is someone else. But there's, I've got like, I think I've got a list of about 6 different emotes that I currently want. I made this one. As you can see, it's not very good, but I needed to have something and I needed it fast. 1 or 2 is recommended as long as it's perfectly square. Hello, people. A guy a message for a referral request on LinkedIn, finally replied to me. That's good. Looks good to me. 1 year later, whoops. Sorry. You built the suspense of that one, didn't you? Ugh, which piece do we work on next? This one. Not too bad. Take the bevel off. Actually, now that we've taken the bevel off, it's really not bad. Maybe we could clean this up, make it a bit simpler. Because I hate it when it does this kind of stuff. Let's turn off triangulation. I think for this model, what would I do? I would dissolve this. And dissolve this for the low poly. Then do the same on this side. One pixel over won't work. Yeah, something like that. This is a surprisingly simple shape. It doesn't feel like something I would make. Like, obviously I made it. It just doesn't seem like something I would make, though. It's just too simplified. And I could put a line down the middle of each of these to make this draw better. Siler, Temptic. What's wrong? Am I on fire? I feel like I'm on fire. I'm planning to make a second game. Oh, that's almost dangerous. Looks like a PS4 design. Oh yeah, you're right. What's the new game going to be about, Temptic? What's going on here? This one. A puzzle game. That's actually a good idea, because you're very good with puzzles. Watch many of your streams where you're solving puzzles. Multi-dimensional travel. That could be fun. I had a few ideas of more projects that I want to work on. One's actually not a game. It's an environment design piece that I want to work on. I've been playing around with it. I've been playing around with the concepts for it. Is this a line? No. Yes, if that's how the triangulation is going to work, what if I helped it? Like that. That should make it much better. Yeah, it's pretty good. That was weird. The fuck? How much planning have you done for your game, Temptic? Just got my footsteps working on different surfaces. Such a nice improvement. I didn't even know I needed. And easy too. Hadn't thought about that much. How do you do it for different surfaces? That's an interesting one. But one of the things that I've always found with when I make games is I underestimate how much of an impact sound has. Like just adding footsteps makes such a difference. Oh, you got the idea early today? Okay, so it's in its infancy. But that's exciting. Are you going to finish your current game before you start on that one? Why does it keep... Weird. I don't know. I will currently work on GC until I have a full concept. Sounds good. you make a physical material for each surface type, then each material itself has a physical material you can set. Then the animation sends a notifier to the animation blueprint to make the sound. Huh. For instance, I have 5 surface materials, surface types, and the stone type can be used for any rock or stone material. That's really cool. But yeah, that's really cool. Nicely done. Let's add a material to this one.
Stay focused, man, I gotta go. Can't be going backwards, I can't be going slow. Gotta take the lead and I gotta steal the show. It's a straight up madness, you know how we roll. Straight up madness, you know how we roll.
I would say we delete that. I feel like we don't actually need that. Then this is a lot of... Okay, let's start by removing the bevel. That's reduced it by a ton. Then we need to remove... So it's a mirror. So turn off the mirror because otherwise working with these things is a pain. When you do it, download 3 or 4 of each sound. That way you can play a random snippet to make someone actually. That's also a very good idea. That I picked up on quite quickly. One of the other things you can do is if you create a sound clue, for each one of those randoms, you can set a variation in the pitch by like 10%. So either higher or lower than that amount, and what that'll do is add more variation because it'll also pick a random pitch for each one as it does it. Enjoying your emote, Temtic. Clear seam. Was it a sharp? Clear seam. 0. And 0. I love that emote. The nodders. The nodders. That's one thing I didn't consider. This is curved. Well, we can work with that. We've got a few ways of doing this, actually. Come on. Let's try this way first. J, F. Okay, that might work. F, 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 F. F. That is actually perfectly fine. Making a stop sign? Yes, the most advanced stop sign you'll ever see. So I'll be completely honest, I don't know how I'm going to simplify this. Well, we can remove that hole. Can we? Here we? Alright. Oh, I must have had something additional selected. Come on, I wanna link it this way. Dissolve edge. So hopefully that works. Okay. Man, there's a whole ring here. How does this work? Oh, there it is. There we go. That's much better. That was not what I wanted at all. So I'd say we take off. Let's first sort this part out.
Don't you think we could be different if we could just take it slow, let it go, roll down all the windows, feel the wind rushing through, hear the music, take the groove. Don't you know all I'll ever really wanna be is a connected high, you and I, pinnacle climactic vibe. Show me yours, I'll show you mine, you don't have to pretend we're shy. Let's forget the night.
Do the second one. How does that look?
Feel alive, take it slow, let it go, roll down all the windows.
Do the same thing at the bottom. So what do we say? We start at the top. Just the edge. Is this a base to a turret or just a vertical piece? It's one of the vertical pieces. It's a... It goes on the side part of the thing here, so... there. That's where it goes. So it's this back piece here, so I'm just trying to get that topology like a lot simpler, because it's just way too much at the moment. So yeah. Just trying to see. So I would say we take out the middle piece and then we take out, oops. So the middle and then every second one. Let's see if they use the correct a number that will actually allow this to work. There we go. I'm going to dissolve edge. I mean that reduces it by like half, which is really not bad. Then yeah, I think I'm considering removing this. That did not do what I wanted. Like that. There we go. I think that'll work fine. Yeah, that should be fine. I mean, it's such a small piece anyway. Why can't I remove this material? There. Oof. Man, I remember working this piece. This piece lags for some reason. Well, let's remove the bevel. That'll already help. We can apply the boolean. So actually get rid of the boolean. Whoops. You know, just in case it's so. If there's another piece in here, do we need this middle? God damn it, I wasn't in edit mode. I wonder why this piece lags just so much. So what's my CPU at? Surprisingly low. Am I still not in edit mode? Okay, select it. Edit. Finally. Why does that just vanish in edit mode? Something weird going on in this. God damn it. Is this even gonna work? Start with that. So that. So you have to select that one, like that and that, and deselect that, dissolve edge. What's strange about this piece is there's actually not even that many triangles. think that one, and that one. Dissolve edge. Select that, press that. So it's this, this, and this. Go, fantastic. No. I want to reduce all of these, so let's leave that on. Let's go with 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. See, that's the one that we put this. We don't need this mid piece though. So it's go like that. Delete edge. That should open it up. Okay, so that's now open. Select the whole thing. Change my distance. 0. Call that a lie. But maybe. So now that that's done, let's go and select every second one here and remove it. I would select that middle one as well. Actually, if it's the middle one, let's try this way around. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dissolve the edges. It's much better. Actually dissolve this one. Good. Then, what do we have here? And then somehow a massive fuck up. Let's start by deleting this. Let's just save. I still don't understand why this specific piece lags. Ba, 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 ba. Save. See, that causes that. Hold on, let's undo that. Let's fix this piece first. Wait, hold on. Let's see. If I go 1, 2, 3, dissolve edge. 1 should be there. Dissolve edge. Then select that. 1, 2, 3. Dissolve edge. Okay, so there's 3 done. So we did the first one, we skipped one, skipped one, skipped one, skipped one. Then this one we actually remove. Then it's this one, so it is one that we remove, so we can leave it for now. 1, 2, 3. We can find a way to make this work. Like that. Man, I was watching The Last of Us again today. I really enjoyed that series. Well, I enjoyed the game. One of the only games I've ever finished where I finished the game and then immediately played it again. It was a great weekend. Dissolve edge. Okay. Doesn't fix that problem, which is fine. We just select those two. That's F. We take that. It seems to be the issue. And we just... I never got into the game. Was that you? How much of the game did you play, or did you just never come around to playing it? Because the first time I ever played the game, I couldn't understand the fascination with it. But I only played like the first hour, and then I tried it again, where I actually put a bit more time into it, and then I actually enjoyed the game. Haven't played it. I've seen others play. Okay. Many times, though. It's a good story game. Many times. I think I've finished the game about 3 or 4 times now. I'm actually keen to have another run through, even though I've watched the series a few times. I haven't played the new one. I kind of don't want to. My blender is just like frozen. Oh, no. This is such a strange issue because of all the pieces that I have, the one that's currently sitting on 500 triangles isn't the one that I expect to land. You don't want the new one to ruin the good memories of the first one? Exactly, yes. That's actually probably the best explanation of it. I'm just gonna close this, save, and we'll reopen it. You played any games recently, Braxton? Actually, if I do this... Why is there a face here? Nope. There we go. To that. F. F. I'm too stressed. Is that just the streaming stuff, or is there other stuff going on? It's the struggle just to do my art stuff. Fair enough. Well, I live in a dystopian nightmare. Yep. I get that. Got an interesting week coming up ahead. I have a 15-minute demo that I need to do, and I just hope all the stuff works properly. So there's that, plus my software problems. But software just seems to despise you. I don't know what you did to it, but it wakes up and it just chooses violence with you. Finally. Man, that shouldn't have taken that long to fix. Okay, that. Delete edge. Okay, 400 triangles for this stupid circle thing. I mean, I could remove every second one of these as well. Just to reduce the poly count even more. Which I think I will. And hopefully I don't regret it. Okay, that matches the outside. Do the same here. This is the part that allows the turret to technically move forwards and backwards. Hold on, I'll show you in a second. Let me just finish this. I've done something wrong here. That one's wrong. Solve edge. I hope I haven't removed too much here, which maybe I'll get away with. If we enable high poly, we'll see it. There we go. So it's that piece where the whole thing rotates around. Oh no, did I remove the thing that cuts this out? I may have accidentally removed that. Hinge joint, exactly. If I'm not mistaken. Where is my other thing? I go to this. I think I just removed a cutter that I actually need. Yeah, I have. There should... That's the wrong window. There should be a cut around there. Now, is that just in... Though it is in the high. On the high I should have it, right? Didn't know that actually went all the way through there. That's actually my base piece. Right, okay. Yeah, I must have deleted the whole thing. I want to see something. If I click save, and I commit, how far back can I go? So no, that's it, okay. And we can just fix it quickly. Let's take the high poly one. So turn off the low poly. So we'll take this, we'll go sideways view. Did I miss something? Since when does it do that? 1, 3, shift 1. There we go. Hard ops. We need at least 64. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That'll be 32, so we can probably get away then with a 32 size cut. So let's copy that, paste it in there, middle support 001, so that looks right, and hide that, and that. Very confused as to how that's even visible right now. That and that. So that should be, minimize that. Is that inside of here? No, so it should be in there. So then, we should have 2 of these. Yes, we do. So we can go there, we can enable that. Go like that. So now we have 2. We've got a really weird looking piece over there. Then, so disable that and disable that. So 1, that's what we've got. Or we keep that. I would say we delete this one. Then we can assign this material. Top. Say we save it. Hide it. Then on this one, we can disable the bevel. We can isolate it. And 1000 triangles. Turn off the triangulation. Turn off the mirror. Apply the boolean. That should take us this. So now what do I want to do? Let's start with this one. And I press the wrong button. I will be right back.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take it all, standing tall. Fear I weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
I have returned. Hello, Arm. How are you today? Yes, it is me, Daddy Cider. Daddy Cider is here. Hydrate. Can I drink coffee? Is that fine? Mm-hmm. How you doing today, Arm? You good? Doing good. Doing game dev per usual. Nice, nice. How's the progress going? Going well? Goddamn fuck. Knocked out months worth of work in 40 hours. Could you teach me the trick? The fuck is this? How does one do this? How does one achieve this level of developer skill? Oh, I don't want to take that one out. just keep doing non-stop 1000 milligrams of caffeine in your system. Okay. Potato Panda, hello, and thank you for the 100 bits.
Panda just shared 100 bits.
How are you doing today? Terrible idea. Won't do it again. Fair enough. But at least you got a ton of progress done. Doing good, thanks. Hope you are. I am pretty good, and you? Well, you said good. Yeah, so you're good and I'm good. Everybody's good. We need to go back into this, select that, go like that, press J, and that should fix the issue there. Wait a minute. Oh, because there's no thing there. What have you been up to today? Doing anything fun? I need to go to the gym after the stream today. I have not been to the gym in a while and I need to go. Dissolve the faces, god damn it. Fine, don't do it. Oh wait, that would have actually worked. If I select that, and that, and then I go back to 2, then I go dissolve edge. Ta-da! I go back to that and select all of those. I go dissolve air vertices. Ta-da! Yeah, the character mechanics are almost done. I have reworked the health system because I'm using damage types and interfaces. Nice! That sounds like some really good progress. What type of damage are you using? You're doing like fire, what are the other kinds? There would be fire, there could be electrical, there's poison. The reason why is months of work is because I had to make it ultra modular. Yes, okay, that makes sense. Ooh, that is not what I wanted. Oh, can I fix this? I take that off. With that, what happens? Dissolve the edge. That, hold on. See, that needs to curve, which means that these two actually need to... See, that's going to mess up the topology, but this one should be fine to just remove dissolve edge. Yeah, that's fine. And then that. Come back here, dissolve that edge. Yeah. Magic resistance. Resistance, aka physical damage, fire, poison, lifesteal, etc. There are too many damage types in the game. I have to define it all separately. But Unreal makes that quite easy with its damage system. Boom. Boom. Thank you very much for the photo. No cat, no cat. Boom is here. Boom has arrived. Boom, how was your stream? It was such a short stream today. Yeah, I found out that I gotta figure out how to use it and deal damage based on resistance parameters. Nice. Let's give Boom a shout out. And hold on, where's the button? Where's the button? I have a button. Yeah. Long cat for Boom. The longest cat that has ever existed. Boom, how was your stream? Did you fix the things? Did you fix the things? Or like Boom explosion? I'm busy fixing my tower. I'm fixing my tower today, Boom. Look at this. For those that haven't seen, I am making a tower defense game, and this is what one of the towers looks like. There's 1000% more detail than there should be. Raid and run. All right, thank you very much, Boom. Keep well. Thank you for the raid. Hope you had a good stream. Lots of floppers. Why no FBI? Why no FBI, Boom? Ba-ba-ba. Quick before you screenshot. Aha, you can't screenshot. You can't screenshot it if it's not there. I'll probably stream today because I gotta brain all this information somehow. That's a good idea. Do you know what time you're gonna stream? Got a shot. Maybe the next hour, got a shot on you. Fair enough. Alright, let's get this sorted. Boom, I don't need two-sided streams. Skittles, you had my stream open before the Boom stream? I'm honored, I'm honored. Well, now you're here twice. What you gonna do about it? What you gonna do? You're gonna have to leave, Skittles. That's what you're gonna have to do. You have to leave on one of them. Might actually be fine. No. Then go get more caffeine. Maybe you've had enough caffeine. Did you think about that, Arm? Remember that one time when you had all that caffeine? Maybe that was enough. Oh man, which one did I remove? I removed this one. Then we wouldn't have removed that one, but we would have removed every second one. Or we could just do the same there. Or tell me where I did it. Can't wait to start modeling because I have to draw out the characters and I haven't touched a pen in so long. The modeling part is super fun. Just don't get super distracted like me. My favorite part overall is animation. Or animating. I'm actually not looking forward to animation because I don't know how to do it yet. It's the part that worries me the most. I'm hoping I enjoy it. It's just more of like the fear of the unknown than anything else. Watch more Blender animation tutorials than actual modeling ones. I think making animations is so simple. Fair enough. I don't know much about it other than you need to set up bones and all that kind of stuff. And I've tried doing bones a few times and I've just like, it hasn't gone very well. I also have experience in 3ds Max and Maya. Ooh, nice. You can see why you're not worried about it at all then. Eh? Oh. Ooh, there's a whole bunch I can remove. Actually, this could be a normal, couldn't it? I have returned. Hello, Gemtic. Welcome back. What did you have for lunch? Did you have salmon? Something is wrong here. There we go. Oh no, something is wrong over here. What did I do? How long ago did I do that? That's the real question. Can I undo it enough? Didn't eat yet. Went to watch horses. Special event. I'm not going to explain it. Fair enough. Well, shit. I fucked that up. I can fix it from the other side. It's fine. I finished my first playthrough with my friends while playing Dying Light. It was a complete shit show with non-stop gags and jokes. That sounds like a lot of fun. How can I fix this? I can fix this by extruding the other one, getting it aligned to the same X, Y, or one of the axes for that. Then it'll be in the correct position. I'll have to remove this face, then add that divide. I'll have to do all three of them, remove all of this, add them all back again. Yeah, it's fixable. It was hilarious. We were doing voice impressions for like a good 30 minutes. That was great. There you go. So that's nice and clean. Why are you like this? Why? Why? Been a while? True. True. Has been. Might be a problem. Now shower time. I'm gonna head out and get myself ready for stream. Make sure to drink water. Will do. Thank you very much. Ba-ba. Big boom. The fuck? Did I manage to do the wrong side? I'm probably gonna make my game in a lot of themes. 2D, 2.5, 3, 3.5, that form. All that kind of stuff in one game. Sounds really cool. Cool idea. Oh. I'm in the wrong place. I apologize. Goodbye. What? What? Inspired by Outer Wilds. Takes Two. Outer Wilds, my favorite game. Did you make it? Did you make it? Ah, god damn it. Well done, Temtic. Well done. Your ploy worked. With only 10 seconds remaining. Where are my channel points? Reject. I refunded myself. How dare you? How dare you do that? How dare you refund yourself? Salah, how you been? I've been pretty good. How have you been? I'm being a good mod. True, true. You're not wrong. You are not wrong at all. Yeah, bam, bam. Always does it weirdly. Have we never done this one? Nope. What you been up to, Josh? Were you here yesterday? Done anything fun lately? Ba, 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 ba. Oh shit. What I've landed up doing now is there's another piece missing from here. Hold on. Oh crap, can I actually revert all that? Might not be able to. Wait, Don't need it. I need to start remembering that I can actually just do other stuff. I did a really good job at messing this up. Delete edge. Okay, there we go. That should be clean now. Now we select this. Alt Z, 3, G, Shift Y. No, just Y. Extrude G, Y, X, Y. It should be aligned with like something here. Okay, that's right. Y. There we go. That's it. I wasn't in edit mode. Right, that and that. So what the fuck? How did it fuck that up? Good. So then that and that one we can join. And subdivide. Take that and join. Okay. So, how dare you, Josh? Capture my supreme work. And Temtek's gone wild. Run away! Stealing all of our models. Holy crap, it was 50. Damn. What? What? What have you been up to today, Josh? Ah, finally. Q, sharpen. And then view face orientation. Yeah, I kind of expected that. So Alt N, recalculate outside. Alt N, recalculate outside. There we go. Fantastic. .500 polygons, which why, Mr. Anderson, why do you keep pressing that? Dissolve edge. Ambulance. Alright, let's save that. Why is this in low? It's not, just exists at the moment. So if we select Kale Collector 1 instead, it's better. So let's add, have we added a material to this? That. Cool. I'll hide that. Is that then this entire thing done? If we go this, that, and then we go middle. Apparently Blender crashes when we try and tell it that we want to actually view the item. Not much. You done any progress on the game you're working on? I've mostly been playing games, I won't lie. Oh, that's fair. What have you been playing? Call of Duty? Oh. Flop. Called it. Oh, there's still lots I haven't done. What the hell? Got this, I've got this. Whatever the hell this is. Hogwarts Legacy 2. Nice. How's that been going?
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our growlings when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't
Does this piece exist? Turret middle detail part 1. Oh, it's the collection, so it's something in here. That. So if I isolate that, oops, why does that destroy it? Oh, there we go.
Jimmy at Woodstock. Drive me around in your red Ford. Shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes sound funny, my tongue tied up, honey.
I don't think there's any other detail that could just be baked in for this. This might just be an expensive tower. Okay, I'll leave that. It's weird, it doesn't look like it did it right. That's fine. There's that piece. Let's add a material to it. It's 93,000. Actually, what we're going to do is we're going to keep this. I want to try something. Select all of it. Go like that. Then take this. Hide it. None of them are meshes yet, so let's take all of these. Convert to mesh. Go to 2. Convert to mesh. 3. 4. Okay, those all converted. Then take this one. 2 streams in a row. Well, technically every stream is in a row, just separated by a certain number of days, is it not? Side eye, how dare you? How dare you? This is not going to merge nicely, is it? I suppose. Okay, well, let's do this. Select. Actually, hold on. We enable this part again. We go to this. select that and that. We isolate. We only need that. Alt Z. We select this piece. God damn it. Move that. That. Hello, Sukilos. How are you doing today? You done anything fun today? Haven't had much time for anything else. Fair enough. Well, I would delete that, and that.
They say that love is blind, but I never trusted sight. When I turn and look inside, there's nothing I can find. In the silence of the night, when my demons come alive,
Oh, that's not gonna work.
a voice disguised, telling me when
Haven't had much time for anything else. Fair enough. Do you have any plans for the day?
they say that love is blind.
Plan to work on the Maroon game and laundry and to figure out a best way for making levels.
There's nothing I can find. In the silence of the night, when my demons
Playing the music is easy, but I'd like to have a more efficient way of determining shape position rotation. See, because your game, sort of, the way you need to do your levels is so different, it's a bit... not too sure yet. I don't know if, like, for example, for the levels that I'm trying to make, they follow a pretty simple-ish design, which is come up with a concept, come up with a flow for how you want things to go, and aka the units to go, and then do, you know, set design, all that kind of stuff. But yours is a bit more tricky because it's like a how it's all integrated. As of now, I have a path that a 2D node follows a specific increment, and I use the location of that node to reposition. Okay, that should work. One thing I've learned from my project is don't underestimate the power of just creating like tons of debugging stuff to help you along. I recently redid the path visualization system in my game, and I made, while doing it, like throughout the whole process, I've just got a bunch of additional like tools that well, I've got one that creates the path, but there's a bunch of like debugging stuff that I can use to figure out what's going wrong and where, and that helped a lot. For example, I was getting weird results where I wasn't seeing a decal that I was just expecting to be spawned, and then I decided, let me spawn a line, a large line, like of 1,000 units from where it should be up to where 1,000 units above, so I can see what's happening. And what I discovered was it was being all placed at its like massive offset when it was doing those ones. I wonder if you even want all of these. I wonder if it could have been... But there's a hot zero amount of inheritance going with the 2D node that may be a performance hit in the future. What do you mean by that? That there's a not zero amount of inheritance going on with 2D nodes? Like, isn't that the way you're supposed to do it? Like, unless I'm understanding it correctly, because for example, all my AI enemies have the base, which is this, and they all inherit from that. So you've got shield, then you've got what else is it? There's shield, the bosses, the shaman, because 2D node inherits from a node class and a canvas item. Ah, I see what you mean. I think it'll still be fine. I think it'll still be fine. Like, if Unreal can handle that, if we look at this, my Blaze class is an actor. If I had a way to just get a sequence of vectors. I mean, Unreal, you've got your base class, which is a U object. And that inherits a whole long way back to a whole bunch of other shit. Then inside here is a static mesh, which is also actually a U object. At some point. Yeah. And then you've got all sorts of other things which actually end up coming back to that. And there's just tons and tons of stuff. That'll be fun. What is the programming language that it's done in? You know what, that would have just been better. Ass. GD script. Unfortunately, don't know too much about GD script. I think for now, I'm going to try this. I'm going to delete all of these. We'll keep the big one. I'm going to delete all of those and see what it looks like on the final one. Basically from 2... Is it that?
set you free, of the pain and misery and let you be here with me.
Is this one actually mirrored? Why is this one not mirrored?
I could set you free, and show you what this world can really be. Here with me, I could set you free, of the pain and misery and let you be. Here with me. I could set you free.
There we go. I don't think I need C++ for this. The other thing is I don't really have a singular object that holds information for each receiver shape, position, rotation, time to next shape. Instead, I have an index value that I use for each array, which I guess is fine as long as it keeps everything in sync. It sounds like it's quite hard to keep everything in sync like that.
I've always had a way of keeping most. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name.
But it could be a headache to work with if patterns get complicated. Yeah,
If you're fine,
it sounds like it.
I've been too much on your plate. I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're faded, I've been too much on your plate. I'll keep hiding, calling out your name.
Not really, because all I'm doing is incrementing a value on a timer that is used each time I need a new default different value.
Tell me how you're feeling
Okay.
since you got me
I wonder if there's a
out in the
easier way that you could do that.
Now
I don't really think of one. I mean, if it's working, it's working, right? I guess cross that bridge when you get there.
be a slow burn. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too
Just have,
if you're
it's just that I have to create an array separately.
too much on your plate. I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name,
That should still be fine.
calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're
Why is there a bevel on that? Who would put a bevel on that?
much on your plate, I'll keep
Which can be an eye roll annoying thing to deal with, lol. Fair enough. Like this one got super complicated really quickly. Wait, if I go like that, makes no sense. If I go like that and I go select. Select loop, edge loop, select. Check this left. That doesn't work. Okay. Question, yeah. Why not just copy it? I put a text docs of text doc of the script in Discord. Open with Visual Studio Code. So you define your shapes, your receivers, your hints, then you've got your path, your sequencer, you've got a range. Hit your arrays. That's cool. Don't like hexix yet? Why? They'll just convert it to HTML. I mean, maybe HTML. Or any language you want. It looks pretty cool. Nicely done. I think it'll be fine. I still need to make a multiplier for scoring. Delete proof actually shows up more. Maybe I should have just done every second one. The other thing I'm going to do is with the pathing. Okay. There we go. Nice. That was easy enough. So certain points based on what specific rotation it is must shape is chosen. The music and the sequence of the shapes will be different. Ooh, that'll be cool. What to do is the pathing. I mean, that sounds pretty cool. Well, I look forward to being able to play it sometime.
wanna be delivered to the heart.
Cool, that's done. So we can is that on? It is hide. Enable that hide. Bevel remove. Hide. And hide. Fucking cat sleeping on the heat event again. I know it's why my apartment is cold sometimes. But I can't bring myself to stop her. Oh, shame. The cat's nice and warm and you're freezing. Okay, so if we have a look now... Okay, looks like we've made some good progress. That's a cutter, we can hide it, we can hide that, we can hide that. Hide, 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 hide. I guess... that should be everything. So that means that between that and the bottom, 28,000. Bit high, but you know, I think we could be fine. But not too bad. Right, we're gonna have to stop there for the day. Cannon, body, press. When do you think you're gonna be able to finish all of that, Sikiros? Done already? Yes, I need to have a shorter stream today. How long have we been streaming for? 2.5 hours? Just about. Fuck it. I know when. Fuck it, I know when it's done long. Fair enough. Who are we rating today? Hello? Thank you, Bibles. The Travios box? The Travis box. Is that how you say that? Thank you very much for the follow. I hope you're doing well today. Hi, Bubbles, bye, Bubbles. Yes. The hand has come. Right. Now I need to find something to raid. Who raiding? Who raiding? Any suggestions? My plan was to raid Boom today, but Boom decided, nope, I'm out, bye. I heart funny boys. You raided them before? Sure, why not? I see Panda Coders there, so let's do it. /raid. Have a good day. Thank you very much, Paxton. I'll probably see you later. Right, so we're gonna raid I Heart Funny Boys. Created the raid. As per always, we've got a Discord if you want to hang out afterwards. We also have our YouTube where we're starting to get more and more clips posted slowly but surely. And let's do a raid message. Sign raid. Raid. That one. And that one. Or Sikilos, you can do your favorite. Insert raid message here. There's the one. There's raid message. YouTube shorts are funny watching during the day. Well, I have many. I've actually got quite a few now. I post about one a week at the moment, which is pretty cool. Some of them I do better than others. Some of them make me laugh, so I guess that's a good thing, right? Gotta do something right if you're doing that. But yeah, alright, I'll probably no stream next week Saturday, probably next week Sunday there should be another stream, so I'll see you all then. Have a good rest of your day, and we'll see you then. Bye, everybody! Bye!